Hello, this is a quick video showing you how to create a register area in your classwork section and also how to create a register for you to use each day and how to try and do that a little bit quicker than normal. So I'm going to go up to where it says create. So within your classroom, you've got your stream to start with, we've clicked on classwork. I'm going to go to create, I'm going to click topic. I've went to get emoji even, and that's just to make it stand out a little bit for when we're making our sections. So I'm going to scroll down once this loads up to something that looks more like a register. You can see some of these are blanked out, and that's because my browser isn't the most up to date. But hopefully on yours you'll have all the emojis. So I'm going to take this little one here. I'm just going to highlight it and I'm going to copy it. And then back here, another tab, I'm going to paste that in. Right, registers. And paste that one to make it look nice and symmetrical. Cool. And I'm just going to click add, and then that will add the section to the bottom. So I'm going to now take this, drag it all the way to the top, so it's nice and easy for the students to find. This might just take a little moment or two. There we go. Going a little bit quicker. Excellent. So now we're going to create our first register. So to do that, I'm going to click create, and I'm going to make it as an assignment. I'm going to type the title, which is register Monday, 23rd of March. Instructions, please take a moment to complete today's register. This is being used to help us understand how many of our students are accessing this online learning. And then I'm going to make a little comment of, please don't worry if you miss a day or two, a day or more even. We understand that online learning is not the only way to learn at home. And that's really just to mean that people don't panic in case they've got maybe unreliable internet connection, and maybe some days they're not good on this. This for me is just a tool to kind of get a sense of who is on, who's engaging in this, and help to identify anyone who you maybe need to check up on and see that they're doing all right. I'm then going to click create at the bottom here, and I'm going to choose the form option. So this will then pop up in a new tab, and I'm going to call this P67. Oh, I'm not on the right bit. Up here even, P67 register. And then Monday, 23rd of March. So question number one, I'm just going to have it as name. We're going to go to multiple choice over here, and we're going to choose short answer. For younger classes, you might want to make it multiple choice and just paste in a list of all of their names. And that would just be as simple as going to multiple choice, going here, and then clicking here and press and paste. And now I'll just paste them all as different answers. So nice and quick to use. So let's go change that back to short answer. We're going to say that it's required. I'm then going to add a new question. What we've seen being used really well in other countries is just to put two sort of silly little questions at the bottom. And that just helps your learners to kind of have something to start by thinking about if they're using this at the start of the day, and just to get them engaged in the register in a fun way, rather than just seeing it as something boring that they need to do every day. So I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to say, if you could have any book character as a pet, who would it be? And again, it's a paragraph, so that's fine, it changes automatically. And we'll add a final one. I would say, who would even win in a race? And we're going to choose multiple choice. Option one, let's do it as Katniss Evergreen. And if I click on the little picture at the side, we can get images. So I'm going to choose Google image search for Katniss Evergreen, and is it Evergreen or Everdeen? It's Everdeen. Oh, embarrassing, sure. So if we can find a picture of Katniss in full Katniss mode, might be struggling here. And then we just click on it and then click insert. and I will change that because that's a slight faux pas. Let's go Harry Potter. Again, Google image search for Harry Potter, and hopefully it should come up, and we'll choose one that looks realistic because the other one's realistic. And if I don't find one, I will just go back to the top. I will just go back to this top. So we'll click on that one. And again, we'll just go to insert. Then it's just a case of us kind of putting that added in. You'll notice the top of the title's not changed. If I simply click on here, it'll go back. My other recommendation is when I've created one of these, I end up just doing it for the whole week to make it easier for myself. So to do that, we just go to the three dots up here and we choose the option of making a copy. And all I do is take out the bit at the start that says copy of, change Monday to Tuesday, and then click OK. And then again, it's just a case of changing this bit to Tuesday the 24th. And then changing what your two questions are. And that should be straightforward enough. Now, if we go back to the section at the top, where we started with the classwork, what should happen, we hope, is that should now be the form there. Let's just quickly check. It's there ready to go. So the final thing to actually schedule these, all you're going to do is go say due date, and say due date for today is today. Time, we'll make it at midnight. And then you'll see the top, well, the other thing I'd maybe change is where it says points and just make that unmarked. There's no reason to give any points for this. Where it says assign, we're going to choose the little drop down option to the right of that. And we're going to say schedule. And then we're going to say schedule for whatever day you need to schedule on. So seeing this one's today, I can just say 23rd. And I can say it's to be scheduled at 10 o'clock. And all that means is that it'll come up then. I clicked the wrong part there. So 10, and then hopefully, it's because it was in there. Hopefully what that'll do is it'll post that. We'll then go back to the class workspace and you can see it's kind of grayed out at the top. So all I'm going to do is drag that under register. So it's nice and easy to go. Hopefully that's been of use. If there's anything else I can do to help, just let me know.